Do you think elephants are friendly to humans? Don't be fooled by the appearances of animals, because they can do things that you can't imagine. So, are you curious what they did? We won't let you wait anymore. Let's watch those moments with us today. Surely this dolphin wants an iPad to watch WOW TV's videos. That's not a seat. Let me help you. The elephant was annoyed when the girl tried to take a picture, so it used its trunk to stop her.
Okay.
Be careful when taking pictures with a goat, as it can be very aggressive at times.
You made it with only 2 seconds to spare.
Bruh. You win!
Come on, guys. Follow the rules of the road. You two got lucky today.
Oh my god!
The fence is like a massage machine for the horse. The sheep was very angry when the girl teased its feelings. This money can buy a piece of cheese to fill its belly.
Nice.
Even walls can't stop friendship. This bunny deserves to be the main character in the movie Prison Break.
Freedom!
We like Wonder Woman. We've got all the superheroes today. If he had Superman's power, he couldn't have held that goal.
Oh my god!
He certainly couldn't have a steel head like Chip Howard.
No, 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 no. NANI?
Lucky for him.
The weight was too much. The horse got angry and dropped 2 people into the water.
Bruh.
The parrot shows great gallantry by opening a can of soft drink to help the owner. A phone will help it keep up to date with the latest news.
I thought this stuff only happened in movies. Wow, that is a superhero. Nice dodge.
Good job.
What kind of miracle was going on here?
Bruh.
He could have been flung off the side. So lucky.
Oh my god!
Wow.
Perfect.
What do you think? Skill or luck?
Nice.
The movie Kung Fu Panda has added a new star with top-notch stick dancing skills. The monkey was very surprised with the magic show of the visitors. Coach Parrot is helping the hamster prepare for the upcoming running competition. This raccoon tries to escape from the trash can, but perhaps the trash can still feels attached to it.
Nope.
With a talent for playing the saxophone, I hope this seal will join the great concert soon. When I accidentally said that the cat was too fat, and this was its response.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This guy dodged the wrath of Thor. The girl was taken to a mysterious place. There seems to be a force protected you.
Chupapi muñeño.
Sometimes you need both speed and luck. This dude almost lost his salary for the day. Oh my god, what are the chances?
Bruh.
You can't believe your luck.
Oh my god!
While playing outside, you need a friend who's like a superhero.
The girl offered the turtle a banana, but that was not what it needed. This orangutan is enjoying himself. He uses a towel to clean his face on a sunny day. Take a quick shot. Do you know how much time it took? This chicken became a pro player with just one of its eggs. Well, maybe the giraffe mistook the pole for a lollipop. This raccoon washes his hands before stealing cat food. Very hygienic. This pig can't stand the noise of the vacuum cleaner, so it finds a way to stop it. The dog's ability to ride a car makes me admire it. The Best Actor award should go to this funny parrot.
Bruh.
Wow, it turns out that we've all been deceived about the ability of turtles to run.
Run.
This duck is afraid of the dark, but still has to take on the responsibility of turning off the lights. This crocodile is floating in the water after a tiring day of swimming.
Wait a minute.
Perfect.
Seems to be only in movies.
Nice.
This guy on the bike is like, what? Watch out! It's a racetrack! Almost as if she could see into the future. This girl's got the balance skills of a cat.
Oh no!
Instead of spreading the food, this fish chooses to feed it directly into its mouth. This turkey decided to have a prank on its owner. This monkey is very special because he knows how to use shower gel to clean himself.
Wait a minute.
Hey dude, there's still no food here.
Hi.
A hug and a kiss from a baby elephant will make you happy.
Wow.
Nice.
Bruh.
Wait a minute.